Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q3 of the weekly contest 230. Equal sum arrays with minimum number of operations. So I actually aided this one because I didn't know, like I probably could, if I had done this one quickly, I could have probably finished top 25. I just misread, or I misunderstood the problem a little, or I made a lot of mistakes, put it that way. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, and you can actually see these mistakes live after my explanation. I would recommend you do it on like a faster speed because it's a little bit long because I'm dumb on this one. But that said, so it's easy to mess up. But the short answer is that if you want to go over my thought process, you could do this in a number of ways, and I just did it with linear time things. But it's just a lot of copy and paste, a lot of easy mistakes, which is what I did. But okay, enough about explaining how I did poorly. Let's explain the problem, which is that the idea is that okay, you have a left and you have a right, and then it's greedy the rest of the way. So we can go over the code, and my code is really ugly, and I take pride in my code most of the time because I think I just write it the way I understand it. But this is going to be greedy, which is that okay, you have a sum to the left, you have a sum of the right, and then yeah, you have a sum of the left, you have a sum of the right, and then you ask yourself, okay, how did I get from here to get here, right? And then the greedy thing is, whenever it's big, there are two possible. Obviously, if they equal, then you're done. The other possibility is array A and array nums1 is bigger than nums2. If that's the case, then you want to subtract from nums1, or you want to add to nums2, right? And the way to do that is just greedily take a 6, change it to a 1, or take a 1, change it to a 6, or obviously if the delta is littler, then like if the difference between the two arrays is less than 5 or whatever, then obviously you take a smaller number that you can, or you just take the biggest number but change it less than 1, right? So that's basically the idea. But I was worried about time limited expiration, so I did it in a funky way. But the short answer is that there's a lot of if statements, so this code is a mess for me because I like to write a clean code, but that's basically the implementation. I'll go over it very quickly, which is and I made a mistake because I copy and paste and then I used the wrong array in two of these places, and I got time limit exceeded. But then I thought that the time limit exceeded was because I had a wrong algorithm and greedy didn't work or something. So I tried a different thing, and that basically was the issue. But it turned out that it was just because I had a copy and paste mistake. So kids at home, make sure you watch your copy and paste, or just don't do it. Don't try it. Just write it from scratch, because I made more mistake not copy and pasting than it would have been otherwise. But basically I just have, while this is the invariant, which is that the total one is not, if the sum is not the same, we have to do something. So we have a before thing, and the before thing is just that if it hasn't changed after we run our algorithm, we return -1. And the way that I did it, I just actually do it one at a time, which is definitely not efficient, or not the most efficient, because I actually had an optimization, which but then I kind of skipped out on it, because you can actually do a k numbers at a time by doing some division, but this was fast enough. So this is the code that I have. Basically here, for each iteration of the array, I check to get the max number. And to be honest, I could have implemented this in a cleaner way, now that I know the answer and I know that it is fast enough. But that's the way that I did it during the contest. Let me make this slightly bigger so you could read it easier. But yeah, this is just basically maintaining that, if we ran out of the left max, then we just subtract 1 so that the max is smaller. If we ran out of left min, we increase by 1. And we do it from the same thing with the right array. And I just call left and right. And I map them to a frequency hash table. And then that's pretty much it. And I just keep track of one row at a time. And this is what I said by if statement and copy and paste. And that's where I ate it. I should have been more careful. I was just rushing it because this was I thought it was a simple question, but I ended up taking, I ended up taking 28 minutes and 2 wrong answers. I was faster on Q4 as usual. So yeah, but this is what it looks like, which is, okay, I'm going to explain only half of these, which is that if total 1 is bigger than Q2, then we just do a check, right? Is it better to take it from the left, or is it better to take it to the right? And this is, the left max and the right min. And then we literally just do it one at a time. We remove you know, we remove either the delta or left minus 1, and then we subtract it from this. I don't even think we needed to do this, but I just wanted to do it for consistency. Because if delta is smaller than this thing, that means we're going to be done anyway. Because that means that the total one is going to be total 2 after this. So this is the last move. So that's basically it. Otherwise we just take it from the right and then we make it bigger. Hope that makes sense. Because and because we're doing it one move at a time, we actually take one array element at a time. So yeah, so this should be pretty straightforward in terms of complexity, because for each element, because we don't sort or anything, for each element in the array, we can only make one move, and because of that, this is going to be linear time. And in terms of space, this is actually only over one space, because we only keep track of a few things in an array. Or we have a frequency table which only has 6 elements, and that's pretty much it. And that's why this is all one space altogether. Yeah, that's all I have. Let me know what you think. Don't copy this code. This is ugly. You have the idea, implement it from scratch, and let me know what you think. And I'll see you could watch me solve it live in a mess during the contest next. It may be too slow, to be honest. That's why I didn't do it that way first. And 8 people already finished, so let's catch up. Possibly different names, 1 to 6 includes 1 to 6. We want to make the sum of y's. That's annoying. Any array. Okay. This is greedy. I'm trying to find my code on binaries, because I solved this before. But maybe it's worth just solving it again. Can't find it though, so maybe I'm a little bit bad about it. Was it just greedy? Okay, fine. Yeah, maybe I just need to solve it. I can't find the problem. And right now, already 15 people solved it. I'm a little bit slow. Okay. This is too much math for me, but okay. I could also do greedy in a easier way. Okay, let's just do it that way. Let's see. This is just a really annoying problem. That's why I remember. I don't remember how to do it. I don't remember the nuance of trying to do it. So we can change from the 1 from 6 from 1. Okay. So total 1. How do I get the min element? Maybe I could do it the other way. No. Yeah, that may be too slow, but so one. Let's see. So left one is bigger than, and then we get the biggest number. Okay. Just trying to do the easy thing. Equals maximum. So okay. Yeah, let's do it. While is this 6 or 7? This is 6. We wanted to increment still. Okay. Oh, snaps. That's an infinite loop. Okay, so now what? Okay, so that means we want to try the max. If left max. How much room do I get? Is left max minus 1 is greater than or equal to the right min, changing it to a 6. Okay. Yeah, okay. Then we take it from the left. Left. Okay. Then moves ++1. Total 1 minus max of a min of delta and max -1. And then we do left of left max, yeah, -1. 1 is, I don't think this matters. And in theory, we should set the left min, but I don't, in that case, you'll never do it anyway. So, what? Oh yeah, and otherwise, and it's okay if this is whatever, but oh, delta is equal to 2. And this is the same except for the other way. And you could actually probably do math in a better way, to be honest, but I don't know. I hope this is fast enough. Oh man, don't know. Uh-oh, is this infinite looping? Am I doing well? I returned one thing, so what's this? Oh, because they're never correct. Let's see. How do I? Okay, what am I? How do I check? Well, if the how do I check in a good, efficient way? Okay, before delta. Return -1. Yeah, let's give it a go. TLU. I need to speed it up. That's annoying though. I mean, it's not hard. It's just that it's misleading to have these limitations because they got me not for per test, but for yeah. Now I just do some math, and that's annoying. Like I said, they didn't get me per whatever. It's just yeah. They get me done some of the test cases in which this is just misleading, maybe, but maybe that's fair. Let's see. I mean, I know how to do it. It's just okay, fine. K is equal to left max. No. Max. How do you want to do? How many can you do? So delta divided by one. So that is this is going to be a mess, but okay, fine. This is round up. So, okay, if K is, we have more than it required, then, or equal to, then we're done. How do we, my code is a mess right now, but okay, fine. Required, return moves. Otherwise, then we just do K. So then it is this times K. I guess. I don't think this matters that much. Oh. Did I miss something? Am I just wrong in general? I don't know. Maybe I'm just wrong in general because no, this left max this order. I forgot to. I was wondering why I was doing this, but that makes sense. And then now I have to do this same thing for everyone, so that's gonna be a mess. Let's also at least show that it's still correct because it should still be correct. Left max is greater than 1. Which one is it erroring out on? Okay. What? That should not be the case. That's not great. Oh, I am dumb because on the other case we don't add it. We add it by K, of course. Of course. Is that the wrong answer? It is the wrong answer. So that means that something's wrong here. Because we know that the rest of these code is right. Right? So, Is this why? I hope that's why, because that makes it a lot easier to debug. Nope. Okay, so I have K. 3 is required. So we do one move. We do one move. Oh, because of this min. No, this case should be 1, right? Yeah, this case should be 1, so this should still be right. What am I doing wrong? I am so bad at this right now. And my music over my next door is kind of bugging me out a little bit. Why is this wrong? Oh, what did I change? I just changed it so that it's sped up. I mean, that's fine, right? What did I change that is so different? 21, yeah, okay, that's expected. Did I change the state in a way that is no longer true? How does this code compare to, say, this code? Oh, because this is greater than or equal to. But no, that shouldn't matter. But I mean, it matters for this, but and left max is greater than 0. Oh no, it's and no, that's right. Wait, what? Oh no, I guess this is right actually. Why is this wrong? Because man, this is making me very unhappy right now that I have to debug this, because I mean it's my fault, but oh, I see why. I am dumb, because I moved this moves thing to here, but I did not delete it from the other thing, because I just assumed that there's a symmetry here. That's silly, Larry. Okay, so this should so here I'm checking that's still all right. Okay, that means I have to fix it for the other ones. Okay, so whoops, this is, was it right? And requires you're gonna can check every step of the way that this is still right, and I know that this is just a random one, but might as well. Okay, maybe I have a different wrong answer if this is judging taking so long. Maybe there's something weird about this case that is just wrong. Okay, maybe I'm wrong about what I said. Why is this so wrong? Oh, did I mix this up? Oh no. Do I risk to YOLO submitting just because I made a mistake? Alright, let's go. Maybe it's still too slow though. Oh no. Okay, this one is, wow, I'm just struggling on this problem right now. I'm just copying the test cases so that I can have it later, just in case. But why is this 7? Did I mess this up? Okay, let me go back to my old code real quick just to run it. I'm struggling on this one. It's a little bit sad actually. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Okay, let's go back to the time limit exceeded code. I guess I should have tested this first. I just think I have different No, this is right. This is the right and the left. So I think I just was too hasty in correcting my thing. I just over confused myself a little bit. This is what. Did I? I'm just confused right now. But okay. So the right max, then we want to subtract. Okay, that's right. It just okay. What the expected is 8. Why do I have better than answer? Answer. That's not right. Let's what did I do here? Oh yeah, this one I definitely had it wrong though, so okay. Is this right though? Let's see. What a mess. What a mess. Oh, I didn't fix this. Oh no, it's gonna take a while. Okay. So I also get 7 here. So greedy doesn't work? Is that right? Why is the answer 8? Maybe I just have a wrong assumption. Seven? Why is it 7? Just one of those days, I guess. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left, right. That's definitely not right. Why do I do this? I thought. Did I confuse the thingies? I mean, this turns out it's just that I was bad, so let's see. Left min, left max, right min, right max. Definitely should have gotten this, but clearly my states are wrong. Okay, so 1, 0, and then 4. Now this is left min, left max. Why is it subtracting 6? Am I subtracting the wrong one? Left, right. Oh man, why did I do that? Copy and paste mistake. That's what I get for copying, pasting, and then just mixing it up, because sometimes I write it from scratch for that reason. Okay, let's give it a submit. Okay, wow, that is really silly on my part. Okay, that wasn't even a hard problem, it's just me being silly. And now, okay, so I have a hard queue for some. Hey, yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. Take care of yourself, take care of others, love you, everything. And yeah, to good mental health, and I'll see you next problem. Bye-bye.